Hey guys, welcome back. Yaje here with another gardening video. In today's video, I will show you step by step how you can preserve your garden fresh corn for use later on in the year. If you have an abundance of fresh corn from your garden that you want to enjoy all year long, watch this video because with the right preservation techniques, you can enjoy your garden's bounty throughout the winter months. Let's quickly go through the supplies that we're gonna need for the preservation of our corn for use later on. Obviously, the corn from your garden, and then we're gonna need a big pot of boiling water. I have water in here that I'm bringing to a boil. We're gonna need ice water. And then we're also gonna need a container to put the peelings, because we're gonna shuck this corn and remove this outer covering and put in here. And then something to drain the corn like this, okay? All right, guys, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is shuck the corn, which just means that I'm gonna peel this outer covering. I'll remove that and then also remove the silks from the corn. So if you find parts that are not good like that, just gonna clean it out. So here we go. Look at that, okay? Our water is now boiling. So what I will do is put this in the boiling water and cook it for only about 5 minutes. So we are essentially just blanching the corn to lock in the sweetness, lock in the freshness. Right, water is boiling. Set the timer about 5 minutes. We want to ensure that the corn is completely submerged in the water. If I cover it, it's going to boil and overflow, so I'll just leave it like that and let it come to a boil. So it's been 5 minutes, guys. I'm going to take it out now and dunk it in this ice bath over here for an equal amount of time, so 5 more minutes. So while this one is cooling down, I'm gonna put more corn in here for 5 minutes until I'm done with the process. Once the corn has been blanched and it has had time to cool down, it is time to pack it up for the freezer. Now you can use freezer safe Ziploc bags, but the bags I am using I got from Amazon. These bags can be vacuum sealed using the sealer that you see there. So I'm just gonna pack them up now, put them in the freezer, and whenever I am ready to enjoy the corn, I just get it out, defrost it, then I can boil it or roast it. So yeah, that's how you can preserve your corn. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe for more helpful tips on gardening and preserving the produce from your garden. Remember to grow a garden, because when you grow a garden, you grow health. Until next time, guys. Bye-bye.